Hello citizens of Earth, my name is Danielle and I welcome you to the annual galactic tour of our universe hosted by the wonderful NASA. Today you will experience something so amazing and something jaw-droppingly awesome that by the time we finish you'll be wanting more. Before we begin, we would like to tell you more about our spaceship. We are riding in a Galileo X5000 sponsored by Virgin Mobile, the newest and safest model of galactic travel. To ensure safety, you must keep your seatbelts on during the duration of the trip unless instructed to do so by one of the attendants.
Crew and passengers, please prepare for takeoff.
Hello everyone, my name is Kiara and I'll be one of your fabulous hosts this evening as we embark on a one-of-a-lifetime trip. During times we approach a star, you may find sunglasses next to your seat. Exit signs can be found to your left, and during emergencies, which are unlikely to happen, please halt and wait for further instructions. Now, unless there are any questions, we should be able to start our journey.
The first site we are approaching is none other than the asteroid belt. Asteroids are basically mini planets composed of rock and dust. The asteroids usually spread out, creating a barrier between Mars and Jupiter. Please sit back as we travel in hyperspeed.
We are now approaching Jupiter, the largest of all the planets. We will be visiting two of his moons. To the right, you can see a clear view of Io. Io is volcanically active and one of Jupiter's larger moons. Straight ahead is Europa. It is covered with mostly ice and theorized to have liquid water underneath its surface.
Oh my Galileo! Hurry people and take a look to the left. We are fortunate enough to come across Halley's Comet. Isn't she a beauty? She's 4.5 million years old.
Please sit back as we will be traveling in hyperspeed yet again. In the distance, you can see the demoted dwarf planet Pluto, cast off to be by himself for the rest of eternity. Just kidding. It's pretty darn cold here though. Its atmosphere is so cold it freezes the surface. It was demoted on August 24, 2006, and astronomers classified it as a dwarf planet.
Please sit back and relax as we will be traveling to the center of the galaxy in hyperspeed. We finally have arrived to the center of the galaxy. In the center is Sagittarius A star. Our real purpose of traveling here, though, is to observe the massive black hole.
This is the closest we can approach the black hole until it sucks us in. Everybody, do not move an inch! Just kidding. You may take off your seatbelts for a photo op.
Black holes are the result of some massive stars that have collapsed within itself. A black hole absorbs the mass in its surroundings. That is why this is the closest we can go.
Due to this particular black hole's discovery, we have been able to turn up evidence that there are other black holes in the center of most spiral and elliptical galaxies.
We will be now heading back, but don't fret, there are still many sights to see. Look everyone, in the distance you can see a globular cluster. They are made of millions of stars that were born during approximately the same time period. Clusters in the Milky Way usually contain the oldest stars.
We are currently approaching star HE 1532-0901. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the oldest star in our galaxy. It is 13.2 billion years old. It is a red giant, and as we approach, this would be the perfect time to put on those glasses I told you about earlier. Isn't it amazing?
I just want to say I had a lot of fun in this trip. Don't you think, Kiara?
I agree, Danielle. It was awesome. Thank you for joining us. Now we will be heading back to Earth.
Our final site is the beautiful Crab Nebula. This nebula contains the old remnants of a star and is predicted to be almost 1,000 years old.
Our journey today was truly one in a million. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you had an amazing time.